Pinnaclife Equine Products. Teri Berg-Crooks is a champion barrel racer, registered pharmacist, and horse enthusiast. She is a graduate of North Dakota State University with a Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. In 2001, she received accreditation for compounding by the Professional Compounding Centers of America. Teri currently operates Equine Pharmacy Solutions, an equine pharmaceutical compounding service that is well known for its omeprazole suspension. Teri continues to barrel race and compete throughout the Midwest. She is the 2007 World High Point Speed Champion and the 2007 Honor Roll Champion in barrel racing for the American Paint Horse Association. By combining her knowledge of pharmaceuticals and horses, Teri brings years of trusted experience and insight to her partnership with Pinnaclife and her recommendation of Pinnaclife Equine Products. Pinnaclife Equine Zinc Oxide Paste.
The zinc oxide paste is a great product for horses that have white skin that you want to protect against damaging sun rays. It also protects against any kind of plant toxins or if something that's in your hay bale or anything that can irritate the sensitive areas of your horse's nose. You just want to apply a small amount. It comes out very smooth, very soft. It's micronized zinc, which is very important because the way it goes on, it gives you a semi-occlusive covering of the nose against the damaging rays of the sun. It also has aloe vera in it, which is anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, along with the lavender oil, which has a calming effect on the horse and some antiseptic capabilities. The micronized zinc, for every percentage of zinc, is equal to a SPF factor. So what you'll want to do is apply it gently over the area of the pink, rubbing in well, and it also is great for waterproofing. It's not 100%, but it's very water resistant. So horses that are prone to going into the grass early in the morning and all of that irritating where the dew is still out there, it will protect the horse's nose from all of that plant residues. Then also, if your horse has the white legs, as Teri does, and you know that you're sending him out into a pasture with dew, so you're going to try to prevent the dew itch or scratches, you'll want to apply it when the horse's legs are nice and dry before you turn him out into that muddy paddock or into the wet grass. So you'll want to come down and gently apply it to all the areas, especially along the coronary band, because that all inches up, any moisture they pick up inches up, and that will protect your horse against insects and from the wet.
Pinnaclife Equine Antiseptic Spray.
The antiseptic spray also has the key ingredient olivamine. It is great for cleansing and debriding any wounds. It has a great synergistic combination of benzalkonium chloride and chlorhexidine, allowing it to be a great antimicrobial for all of those wounds that you need to be clean. You can spray it on and leave it dry, or you can spray on and rub to get the full cleansing and debriding effect. It is a great precursor for the wound shield. So it'll work as an antimicrobial and a wound wash all in one. You can either apply it to your gauze pad and gently rub it in, or you can apply it directly on to the wound itself, wiping off any excess.
Pinnaclife Equine Antipyretic Shampoo.
The antipyretic shampoo that Pinnaclife makes has olivamine as the key ingredient, which allows all the other ingredients to work synergistically together to make a great product for any itching or pyrrhatic effects that the horse may have. The number one ingredient is witch hazel. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-itch, and a cooling effect. The chlorhexidine is an antimicrobial, and it's pH balanced and hypoallergenic. It has a low lather rate, which is very nice for an easy rinse off. The antipyretic shampoo is a synergistic blend with olivamine and other antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-itch products. Together they work as a great everyday use or weekly use, depending on your animal. It's hypoallergenic, pH balanced, so it has no drying effects on your animal's skin. So it can be used daily or even twice a day if needed for bug bites. You'll want to wet the animal down first. It has a low sudsing action, so you don't need a lot. Don't expect to have a lot of lather. That's not the idea. You want to rub it in well. It smells great. And then can be rinsed off.
Pinnaclife Equine Wound Shield.
The wound shield has olivamine in also. It is the main active ingredient. It also has many other ingredients that aids and helps synergistically work for the horse. The aloe vera is an anti-inflammatory, antiseptic. The witch hazel is a great anti-inflammatory, also again has antiseptic capabilities. And then there is chlorhexidine, which we all know as an antibacterial, antimicrobial agent. It goes on very smooth. It was the #1 used product for humans. Now it's becoming the #1 product for horses and pets. It goes on white, and as you rub it in, it goes into a nice clear film. The best thing about this is it has a base of silicone, which allows it to be water resistant. So once you have a wound on the horse and you want to apply it, you put it on, you apply it, smooth it in, it goes clear. You are good for 4 to 5 soap and water washings. The wound shield with the olivamine is a great occlusive dressing to apply to anything that, whether you want to call it scratches, you want to just call it an abrasion, it will protect the wound, allowing it to heal from the inside out because there's a nice silicone coating that it puts on like a second skin. You want to apply it in nice circular motions. It goes on white, and when it turns clear, that's when you can turn your horse back outside. The wound shield is also available with a deterrent in it. The deterrent is the #1 bitter agent, tasting agent. It is available in many household products. It is non-toxic to humans as well as pets and animals. It is so bitter tasting that your horse will not tear off its bandages, its stitches out. It also has that the other horses will not be helping tear out the stitches or chew on the tails of your horses when they're all running together. This product should be applied with gloves, and it also is available in a spray. It can be applied directly over an open wound with no problems. It also, again, has that occlusiveness, so it will stay applied where you apply it. If your horse has stitches on, say, its chest, you can apply it right over top of the stitches. It has all the healing plus the deterrent, so when your horse's wound starts to heal and it becomes itchy, the horse wants to start tearing at the stitches, it won't. It may try once, but it won't try twice.
Pinnaclife Equine Deterrent Spray.
The deterrent is also available in an aqueous spray. It's very handy to use. You can spray it directly onto the mane and tails of your horses to discourage them from chewing on each other, or when you're weaning the colts and everything and they get to chewing on each other's tails, you'll be able to save that beautiful tail because it takes a long time for those to grow out. This also is a great deterrent to prevent cribbing, again, from wood to panels to metal panels to those small trees in your pasture that they keep chewing on. This will deter the horse from chewing and wrecking your grounds. It can also be used on bandages. If you're just doing a standing wrap where your horse wants to chew out the cotton and make that bandage into a tourniquet, this will prevent that. So you can just apply a few sprays around the top of a cotton wrap and your horse will be safe till morning, maybe longer. We do recommend that you apply this with gloves and be careful not to ingest it because it does have a very bitter taste that will stay with you for a few days. The deterrent spray is very bitter, so you want to make sure and apply it when you're downwind, from whether you're applying it to the barn wall or to the horse, and it's best to use rubber gloves. If you're applying it to the tail, you just want to do a couple little strokes, and a little bit goes a long ways.